Hello little friends! Welcome to our video today. Today we will learn something very exciting, namely drawing and coloring tricks. Come on! Let's start our drawing adventure. Okay, first of all, we start by drawing the outline of our truck. Look, these are the wheels. This is the truck body. And this is the cab. Very easy, right? Don't forget, draw softly and neatly. Now we continue with drawing the details. These are the windows, these are the lights. And this is the back of the truck. Wow, our truck is starting to look cool, isn't it? Very good! Now that we have finished drawing, let's color our truck. I will use yellow for the truck body, orange for the wheels, and blue for the windows. You can choose your own favorite color. Don't forget, coloring must be done carefully so that the results are neat.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Wow, look at the results! Our truck looks really cool with the colors. How about your truck? I'm sure it looks really good too. Thank you for drawing and coloring with us today. See you in the next video. Have fun creating, friends!